All right, hello. Welcome to my DNA and heredity lesson plan. Excuse the voice. I have been dealing with a sinus infection for the last month, so this is what we're rocking with today. But this is DNA and heredity. It's the magic of the Punnett square. The goal of this lesson plan is to introduce students between 7th and 8th grade uh, level to DNA, heredity, Punnett squares, and that whole lot. Um, so immediately when you would launch in, you would launch into the introduction to the lesson. That is going to consist of this slideshow, which provides learning goals, a little introduction to heredity. This asks students to think about what would happen if squirrels of different colors procreated. From here, it's going to open the student's mind so that they're going to be able to start asking these essential questions that is going to be able to relate it back to their life. Um, we give a real quick definition for DNA as well as heredity. These are dictionary definitions. You could take them out if you prefer to substitute your own. Um, a little bit of history on Gregor Mendel and his work as the father of genetics. Um, then you'll have to teach about what a Punnett square is. Basically, it's a tool that we can use helping understand the laws of inheritance. Um, Once students kind of get the grasp for this, they're going to move into our project. So you can see here that it says we're going to work on what is a Punnett square. There should be a worksheet that you could provide that will have 4 different Punnett squares and then different allelic combinations. From here, the students can work individually to solve these 4 and then discuss their solutions as groups. All right, and then from here, they're going to enter the project, which is, we call it Help a Friend Out. What the project is you are helping this girl, her name is Sophie. You're going to help her explain to her husband why their child will not have, I believe it's dark purple hair. Yes, dark purple hair. Um, so it's a really fun project that the students are going to get to do through an app called Pixton. And then this is going to be this slide or this slide can be broadcasted up on your board while the students are working on the project. You could do this for probably the first 15 minutes and then this for the last 15 because this project is broken into 45 minutes. So 15 minutes, 15, and then walk around and help answer any questions. Um, so yeah, you would do a lesson for 30 minutes and then the student work time should take about 45. And then the last 15 minutes would be a class discussion and then lesson summary. So basically, the students would be able to come together, share their thoughts with each other, share their thoughts with the teacher as well. And yeah, that is kind of the idea for this lesson plan. There is a quiz that comes with the lesson. It is right here. So this quiz, it's pretty easy. If they are able to follow along during the lesson, they should have no problem with this. It's going to just take them through what DNA is, and then the 2 questions are one of them is DNA and one is heredity, so they should have it in the notes somewhere. Asks to just define who Gregor Mendel was, and then a little bit about what trait is characterized by a capital A, what trait would be characterized by a lowercase a, and then solving a real quick Punnett square. So yes, this is a very simple, very fun project that the students can do as well. Here is what a completed Pixton project will look like. Um, so yeah, basically we just want the students to make sure that they're demonstrating that they understand what a Punnett square is, how to be able to solve one, and that they understand the basic laws of heredity. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I made it so it should be about 5 to 6 slides and the students really just can they have space to kind of shine and make their own way about it. If the students do choose to do a character other than Sophie, they absolutely can. This is just the one that I thought would be the easiest for students to get a grasp of. So yeah, it's a super fun project. I had a great time making these slides as well. Um, I feel like this is something that really would have resonated with me when I was learning about Punnett squares and heredity. So yes, I hope you enjoy it and I hope you get to use it in your classroom.